This is the center console of the 2016 to 2018 Benz B-class W246 with the NTG 5.0 system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Use the screwdriver to remove the screws fixing the OEM screen. Unplug the power cord and LUVs cable behind the OEM screen. Use the hook tool to pull out the air outlets on the left and right. Use the screwdriver to loosen the two screws fixing the head unit. Use the pry to pull out the head unit. Unplug the cable on the side of the head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is an optical fiber cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness.